In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to effectively utilize and navigate Framer plugins to enhance your design experience. Framer is an advanced interactive design tool well-suited for those venturing into the field of user interface or user experience design. One of the standout features Framer boasts is its dynamic plugin system. These plugins can dramatically cut design time while amplifying your output quality. Now, let's go ahead and explore how to utilize these plugins. Begin by opening Framer on your device. Once you've successfully logged in and you're at the main interface, focus your attention to the bottom portion of the screen. Here is where you will find the special plugin icon. The icon is easily recognizable, akin to a puzzle piece or a plug symbol. This logo is a universal symbol for extensions or add-on features, like our plugins, across many platforms. Click on this icon to start discovering the world of plugins at your disposal. Clicking on the plugin icon will guide you to a new section brimming with many varied and diverse plugins. It's like a mini marketplace within Framer, bustling with tools that developers worldwide have designed. These plugins have been created to help enhance your designing experience and boost productivity in various ways. Whether there's a specific tool you're looking for or you're open to exploring, this is the space to do so. The next step is to sift through this selection and identify the plugins that suit your needs. On top of the plugin section, there's a search bar. The beauty of this exceptional tool is that you can streamline the search process by entering specific keywords that align with your requirements. For instance, if you're looking for a plugin that facilitates gradient design, you can type gradient into the search bar and hit enter. The search results will then display all relevant plugins connected to gradient design. Once you've found a plugin you think might be beneficial, don't rush to install it. Draw a few moments to read about it, understand its functionality, and see how it can complement your current project or generally enhance your workflow. If you believe that the plugin aligns with your objectives, you can proceed with the installation by merely clicking on the Install button. That's it. You've learned how to navigate and utilize plugins in Framer effectively. Using Framer plugins can undoubtedly contribute to an improved, efficient, and more instinctive design process, making the overall experience enjoyable and your designs more refined. Remember that learning how to properly leverage these various plugins can take time and require a little patience. Play around with different plugins. Experiment with them in your projects, and gradually you'll find the ones that support your workflow accurately. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and happy designing.